Now it's time for us to learn how to connect a JSP page with MySQL database. Alright, so that is important when you are going to do your project. You need that. Okay, so only one important, you need to understand about connection. Once you understand about connection, now you can use the same query you use on MySQL command line. The same thing will apply on Java, JSP or PHP, Python. Okay, same that. Okay, now let's do that. It's different only syntax. Don't worry about that. You will learn. Okay, the only important thing before we go ahead with that, I'll just make you understand. Okay, when we do a connection, we need that MySQL connector. Like if you want about Python, you can download about Python. If you want about Java, you need to download Java. But in case for PHP, no need this MySQL connector, only for Java, .NET, Python. But for Java, we need to download a JDBC MySQL driver. When you go on your browser, if you Google that connector, you'll find here, let's suppose before that, okay, you'll find this MySQL connector, or you can type direct MySQL connector for jar for Java. Then here you will find, see, this is for C++ and this is for Java. So JDBC driver. Now I'll explain what is mean this JDBC, why we need this JDBC. But as of now, we need this JDBC MySQL for connection, right? You already got an idea. Okay, now let's create one form here, and you can name this form with any name. Okay, you can name database or connection. So let me rename this connection. So inside this, we need to import that MySQL jar. So after you download that one, just right click in this libraries, click this add jar folder. So it will take me this jar. There is a lot of jar file here because I have do a lot this JSP. Okay, then I'll search about MySQL. So this MySQL connector Java, this is version 5.1. you can download this one, or else if you have any problem to download, I can send you through the link on Google Drive or through email. Okay, now you can click open. Now it will load here. So this is my jar file. Okay, so now we need to import this jar using this page, import page. Now I need to put this, we always start this. Okay, when we need to import this library, we put with this address page. After that, I just need to write import equal java.sql. But in case if you need more inside this, we don't know, then it's better to put star. When we call star here, it means that whenever we require some function, this star will take care about that, whatever the same function available on this connector. Okay, now we'll go ahead with a code. Okay, now we'll write same thing like you do on PHP. If you already learned PHP also, we need here a string. Okay, string db, it means my database name. As of now, we don't know the database name, we just put blank. Okay, I'll just copy this one and paste it here, Okay, now there is some mistake. Okay, now what is need done here is user. It means a user password on our MySQL and pass. Now I do have all this connector because we need this database name, we need a username, we need a password from our MySQL. But in Java, we need a port also. Okay, MySQL port. Or sometimes we don't need that also, but we just need to call a localhost. Okay, you can use with that port or without that port also. Now let's do without port is very simple. Okay, how we can do that? Before I go ahead with that, I'll put on try method. Okay, and try method. Now after that, this try, I always need a catch also, right? So as of now, let's go with a code. We need to call this java.sql. You'll got this java.sql Now that it will display. If you are using a NetBeans, it always suggests you this connection. Alright, now after this connection, what is that? Con. We just need to call that class con. Now we finish this part. Okay, sorry, I just want to put an object for the con. I mistake. Now we need to call class. This is a keyword, is sensitive. You need to put this capital C, class dot for name. Okay, that is a code we call from class for name. Now string, we need this org dot gjt dot mm dot mysql dot driver. Okay, this we import from our PC. This is MySQL driver. After that, okay, after I import this class name, now we need to use this object con. Okay, how we can use this? We simply write here con equal driver. Okay, driver manager dot get connection. Okay, dot driver manager. Okay, I mistake as spelling here. Dot get connection. After that, now we need a URL. Okay, that's why here you can use with a port or without port. You just right now call a JDBC. Now we call a MySQL. After that, we need to put double slash, and this is local host. Okay, this is local host. After that, we need to put here a slash, then we'll call a db. Alright, now there are different ways to use this code, not only like this. Okay, it doesn't mean if you know another way you can do another way also, because you can put direct here a database name also. You can put here also at the same time, and the same line you can use all this also. Okay, but for better understanding, for your sake, okay, I use this. It's very easy to understand. We just need to call this variable. Okay, now this plus db, it means this I already used. Now I just need to use comma. Okay, now comma is already. Now user and pass. Okay, all this we have finished. If you want to print a message, if this connection is connected, if password is correct, database is correct, username is correct, then we'll print a message, database connect successful. Okay, now I just need to write that out.println. I just write a message, database connected successfully. Okay, alright, so we have done till here, but still remaining this. Okay, now still remaining this catch. We just need to catch an error if still there any error. Okay, now I just need to write this catch SQL exception. Okay, catch SQL exception. SQL. Okay, exception, catch SQL exception E. After that, we just need to put this code. Now something here spelling error, I think. Alright, now I think this is correct spelling. Alright, now if there any error, we'll get a message out.println. Okay, out.println. Now I'll just write this, call this, just copy this. You can copy this one, and you can see AUGST catch. Okay, after that we'll put this. So this is nothing here. Okay, just to make you understanding this. Alright, otherwise there's no need. You can call this e.get a message. All right. After that, okay, we'll try to run. Now let's open our MySQL. Okay, now my password is root. Now let's show database. Now here they have multiple database. Let me take one, this COVID management 3. okay, COVID management 3. I just copy this one. Alright, I just mark this one and Control C, and I'll go on my NetBeans. I'll just paste here COVID management 3. Alright, now I do have this. Now what is my username? Also root, and my password also root. Now let me try to run this. It work or not? Okay, let me try to run this page. Run file. Alright, see, database connected successfully. Okay, in case you mistake this username, let's suppose, okay, then it will throw an error. See, SQL exception cache. This is alright, this is no use, but access a message we got access denied, username root, localhost using a password. Yes, this is the way how you can connect a JSP or a Java. Also same, you can use this on Java, we can use this on JSP, we can use this on servlet. The different only a syntax. Okay, now when I change this one, when I Control S, I go here. Okay, now let's continue this. If this database will check, we'll try to run a query like show table. Okay, let's suppose here if I use this COVID management, okay, use VID COVID management 3. Okay, I use this database, then show table. Okay, here's the 3 table here: corona, employer, patient. I want to display this table name on JSP. That also you can do. Okay, we'll write a query here. Statement. Now I'll put a variable here. Okay, then con, we'll use this variable con dot create statement. Okay, I'll explain this. As of now, I just want you to learn a MySQL database. Actually, this is no use. You learn this in I mean that on 4th semester. But as of now, we need to learn MySQL database, advanced database. Then I will not teach you on this MySQL command line. This you can learn by your own also. When we go with advanced, then you need to understand more how you can use this, okay, on JSP. So for that reason, I teach you this connection. As of now, you cannot understand what is this statement, what is this class for name. Okay, now just concentrate, absorb this code and take this code. You can copy this code on the description of this video. Okay, now I'll create a statement. Then I need to use one keyword that is called result set. Okay, this also important keyword. No need to mistake this spelling, but any variable you can take result set. This rs any variable, and even this st also any name you can take. Okay, but this statement is important and result set also is important. Okay, now I'll just call this rs, or at the same line also I can use this rs, okay, equal st done, okay, execute, because I need to execute that query, right? I'll just select. Okay, it'll be easy for you also to understand. You just need to select. Now what I need to select, show table. When we show table, always with s. Now we need to put on loop, because it might not only one table, it may 2, 3, 4 table. Okay, as I already shown you that here in my database also 3 tables. So for that reason, we'll use a for loop or while loop. So it's easy to use while loop. Okay, so on while loop, I'll just use this rs.next. What is mean next? It will check a next array. Okay, Now this next is a method. After that, we just need to print, or I just need to put on loop. Okay, out dot println. After that, I just call here rs dot get string one only. Okay, put one is enough, one column. Okay, all right, like this. If we display a table here, so we just need to write show table or display select star from that table name. But here what I mean will display a table name on what I mean here will display all the table include in our database. Okay, let's see that. When I go that, you'll see now. Okay, there is catch an error after the end of result set. Okay, there are something wrong after the end of result set. Okay, let me check carefully. Okay, no need to put the semicolon on our loop. See how many table I do have: corona, employee, and patient. Okay, if you don't like this, if you want to display this on row, you need to use a table. You just need to use a table by closing this. Okay, and start with this if you want. This is optional. Okay, if you want to design this one, I'll just put this then. All right, now here we can use a HTML code. Very easy. We just need to write table. Okay, now close table. All right, table, I mistake, sorry, table. Now I just put here a 3D, or you can put th also. Okay, td. Now td. If I run now, you'll see this, it display like this. All right, it's so easy, this one. If you want to increase the font size also, just put inside h2 I think. Let's try this slash slash h2. Okay, all right, now okay, h2 slash h2. Let's see, the font is increased. No, it will not increase. It's better we'll use a font style or font size better. Okay, as of now it's better to put this th, then it will bold automatic. Let's see now slash th. Okay, no problem with this. See, it bold automatic. Okay, database data connect successfully, or you can name this output database. Okay, database connected successfully. Okay, even if you want to display the database name also, that also is possible. We just need to write here, change, you just need to change show database. Okay, now if you run this one, it'll display all the database inside our MySQL. All right, it's so easy. Or you can remove this one also, no problem. You can remove this one, you can remove this db also, still you can display all the database because your password is correct. All right, so very easy this one. So you can copy this code. I'll put this code on description of this video, or I'll put you a link on the comment. Okay, click a link on the comment, then you'll cut this code. Okay, they will take that link to my website, then you can easily copy this code. All right, so we'll see you on next video. Thank you.